Student. Today we see about the platelets count. What is platelet cell? Platelets, also called thrombocytes, are tiny fragments of cells that are essential for normal blood clotting. They are formed from megakaryocytes in the bone marrow and then released into the blood to circulate. What is definition of platelet count? The platelet count is the test that determines the number of platelets in your sample of blood. What is the role of platelet? When there is an injury to blood vessels or tissue, bleeding begins. Platelet helps to stop bleeding in three ways. Adhere to injury sites, clump together or aggregates with other platelets, release chemical compounds that stimulate aggregation of other platelets. These steps result in the formation of loose platelet plug at the site of injury. In this process known as a hemostasis. At the same time, activated platelets support the coagulation cascade, the series of steps that involves the sequential activation of protein called the clotting factor. The secondary hemostasis process results in the formation of strands of fibrin that wave through the loose platelet plug from fibrin net and compress to form a stable clot that remains in the place until the injury has healed. What test is tested? To determine the number of platelet in sample of your blood as a part of health exam, to screen for, diagnose, monitor conditions that affect the number of platelet such as bleeding disorder or bone marrow disease. When to get tested? As a part of routine complete blood cell count or CBC, when you have episode of unexplained or prolonged bleeding or other symptoms that may be due to a platelet disorder. So here we do the platelet count with the help of hemocytometer. Hemocytometer and RBC pipette. Hemocytometer consists Newbar chamber and RBC pipette. Here we use the platelet diluting fluid trisodium citrate 3.8 gram, neutral formalin 0.2 ml, brilliant crescent blue 0.1 gram, distilled water 100 ml, microscope, specimens EDT anticoagulant blood or capillary blood. Procedure: mix the blood specimen and with the help of RBC pipette draw the blood up to 0.5 mark. Then wipe off tip of pipette and then draw the diluting fluid up to 101 mark. Then again wipe off tip of pipette. Mix content in bulb thoroughly. Wait for 5 minutes and charge the counting chamber. Then this charge counting chamber is kept in petri dish with wet filter paper. So this is the very important step in platelet count because we need the moist chamber. Let it stay for 15 minutes before counting because it allows platelet to settle and prevent drying. Because platelet is very tiny fragment cell, so it is necessary. Place the counting chamber over the stage of microscope and first focus under the low power and then red cell counting area. View the corner square of red cell area and switch to high power objectives. Keep the condenser down and reduce the light by adjusting diaphragm and platelet will appear as a highly refractile particles. Count platelet in all 25 small square, not only 5 square. In RBC count we use only 5 small square, but here we count in 25 small square. The area covered by 25 square is a 1 square millimeter. Now calculation. Number of platelets counted is noted as N, dilution 1 in 100. Volume of fluid means here depth of chamber. So number of depth of chamber in into area. So area is 1 square millimeter and depth of chamber is 1 by 10 millimeter. So volume of fluid is a 0.1 cubic millimeter. Number of platelet counted per cubic millimeter is equal to number of platelet counted into dilution upon volume of fluid. So last figure here we see N into 2000. Normal platelet count is 1 to 4 lakhs per cubic millimeter. Clinical significance. When platelet count is decreased, then it is known as a thrombocytopenia. When it is increased, then it is known as a thrombocytosis. So decreased count indicates aplastic anemia, marrow depression, and increase in platelet count seen in polycythemia vera, splenectomy, and chronic myeloid leukemia. Thank you.